Good morning, everyone, on a Sunday morning. This is so funny. The girls like to attack the Hoover. I've never seen anything like it in my life. They've got an obsession with the Hoover. They think it's the game. So let's go and see what's going on. You can hear them in the background. Oh, look. Oh, it's just crazy. As you can see, the girls like to attack and bark at the Hoover. I don't know if your dogs do that, but it's something that they've started doing, and it's absolutely funny. They think it's a game, they waggle their tail, they're just like barking absolutely mental at the Hoover. So the time is 10 o'clock, and we have got roast all prepared. We've been on a nice show along the beach. It was nice and fresh. The girls absolutely love that. They're just now waiting to attack the Hoover again. There they are. It's so funny. Here comes the Hoover. Here comes the Hoover. In a minute, you'll hear him go absolutely mental at the Hoover. It's so funny. Oh, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, so as you can see, it's mental in here at the moment. Absolutely mental. Hope you're all having a good Sunday, and hope you're all having a nice roast dinner. Bye bye.